The human heart, a marvel of biological engineering, beats approximately 100,000 times a day, circulating around 2,000 gallons of blood. Its resilience is astounding, yet it is not invulnerable. Damage to this critical organ can manifest in myriad ways, often subtly at first, making early detection a significant challenge. However, understanding the nuanced spectrum of these indicators is paramount for timely intervention and improved outcomes. One of the earliest and most commonly dismissed signs is persistent, unexplained fatigue. We often attribute tiredness to stress, lack of sleep, or a demanding schedule. Yet, when the heart's pumping efficiency is compromised, it struggles to deliver adequate oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues. This reduced supply translates directly into a pervasive sense of exhaustion that isn't alleviated by rest. Imagine trying to run a marathon with an engine that's only firing on half its cylinders. The output will be significantly diminished, and the effort required disproportionately high. This fatigue isn't just feeling a bit sleepy, it's a profound weariness that can make even simple daily tasks feel monumental. It's a persistent, underlying current that saps your energy reserves, making you feel constantly drained, even after a full night's sleep. This isn't just about feeling tired after a long day. It's a persistent, unyielding weariness that permeates every aspect of your life, making even the simplest tasks feel like Herculean efforts. The body, struggling to maintain its basic functions, prioritizes vital organs, leaving peripheral systems and muscles with insufficient fuel. This chronic depletion can significantly impact quality of life, leading to decreased physical activity, social withdrawal, and a general decline in overall well-being. The insidious nature of this fatigue lies in its gradual onset, making it easy to dismiss as a normal part of aging or a consequence of a busy lifestyle. However, when accompanied by other subtle changes, it becomes a crucial red flag. Another deceptive harbinger of cardiac distress is shortness of breath, medically known as dyspnea. While exertion naturally causes breathlessness, experiencing it during minimal activity, or even at rest, is a serious concern. The heart's inability to effectively pump blood can lead to a backup of fluid in the lungs, making it feel like you're constantly trying to breathe through a thick fog. This sensation can range from a mild discomfort to a terrifying struggle for air, particularly when lying flat, a condition known as orthopnea. Picture trying to inflate a balloon underwater. The resistance is palpable, and the effort required is immense. This fluid accumulation, known as pulmonary edema, is a direct consequence of the heart's diminished capacity to handle the circulatory load. As blood backs up in the pulmonary veins, pressure increases, forcing fluid into the air sacs of the lungs, interfering with oxygen exchange. This isn't just panting after a sprint, it's a persistent feeling of air hunger, a desperate need for more oxygen even when your body is at rest. It might manifest as waking up gasping for air, or finding yourself breathless after climbing a single flight of stairs that once posed no challenge. The body's natural response to insufficient oxygen is to increase respiratory rate, leading to shallow, rapid breaths that offer little relief. This chronic breathlessness can severely limit physical activity, impacting daily routines and leading to a sedentary lifestyle, further exacerbating cardiovascular risk factors. The progression of dyspnea often reflects the severity of heart damage, with more advanced stages leading to breathlessness even at rest. Swelling, or edema, particularly in the legs, ankles, and feet, is another common yet often misinterpreted sign. This occurs when the heart's weakened pumping action causes fluid to accumulate in the body's tissues, especially in the lower extremities due to gravity. While many attribute swollen ankles to standing for long periods or hot weather, persistent and unexplained swelling, especially if it doesn't resolve overnight, warrants investigation. Imagine a plumbing system where the pump is struggling, causing water to back up and overflow in the lowest pipes. That's essentially what's happening within your circulatory system. The kidneys, sensing reduced blood flow, may also retain more sodium and water, further contributing to fluid overload. This isn't just a temporary puffiness. It's a persistent, often pitting edema where pressing on the swollen area leaves an indentation. The skin might appear stretched and shiny, and shoes or socks may feel uncomfortably tight. In more severe cases, swelling can extend to the abdomen, causing ascites, or even to the lungs, as previously mentioned. This fluid retention can also lead to unexplained weight gain, as the body holds onto excess water. The discomfort can range from a dull ache to a heavy, tight sensation, making movement difficult and impacting mobility. The challenge with edema is that it can also be a symptom of other conditions, such as kidney disease or venous insufficiency, underscoring the importance of a comprehensive medical evaluation to determine its underlying cause. Chest pain, or angina, is perhaps the most universally recognized symptom of heart problems, yet its presentation can be surprisingly varied and misleading. While often depicted as a crushing sensation in the center of the chest, heart-related chest pain can also manifest as discomfort, pressure, tightness, or a squeezing sensation. It might radiate to the left arm, jaw, back, neck, or even the stomach. The crucial distinction lies in its triggers and duration. Angina typically occurs with physical exertion or emotional stress and subsides with rest or nitroglycerin. However, a heart attack, myocardial infarction, presents with more severe, prolonged, and often unrelieved chest pain. Picture a vice tightening around your chest, relentlessly squeezing, or a heavy weight pressing down, making it difficult to breathe. This pain isn't always sharp. It can be a dull ache that you might mistakenly attribute to indigestion or muscle strain. The insidious twist here is that not all heart attacks present with classic, dramatic chest pain. Women, in particular, may experience more subtle symptoms like shortness of breath, extreme fatigue, nausea, or discomfort in the neck, jaw, or back, often without the severe chest pain that men typically describe. This atypical presentation can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, increasing the risk of adverse outcomes. The nature of the pain can also vary, from a sharp, stabbing sensation to a dull, persistent ache. It's crucial to understand that any new or unusual chest discomfort, especially if accompanied by other symptoms like sweating, nausea, or lightheadedness, warrants immediate medical attention. Beyond these more prominent indicators, a constellation of other subtle signs can signal cardiac distress. Persistent coughing or wheezing, especially if producing pink or white mucus, can be a sign of fluid buildup in the lungs due to heart failure. This cardiac cough is often worse at night when lying down, as gravity allows fluid to distribute more evenly in the lungs. Imagine a slow, persistent drip of water accumulating, eventually causing a gurgling sound. This isn't your typical cold or allergy cough. It's a persistent, often irritating cough that doesn't respond to usual remedies. It can be particularly disruptive at night, leading to sleep deprivation and further exacerbating fatigue. Another frequently overlooked symptom is dizziness or lightheadedness, or even fainting, syncope. When the heart isn't pumping enough blood to the brain, it can lead to a temporary reduction in oxygen supply, causing these sensations. This might occur when standing up too quickly, or during periods of exertion. Picture the lights dimming momentarily as the power supply falters. This isn't just a fleeting moment of unsteadiness, it can be a recurrent issue that impacts daily activities and carries a risk of injury from falls. The brain is highly sensitive to oxygen deprivation, and even brief periods of reduced blood flow can lead to significant symptoms. Palpitations, the sensation of a racing, pounding, fluttering, or skipping heartbeat, can also indicate underlying heart damage or arrhythmias, irregular heart rhythms. While occasional palpitations can be benign, persistent or severe episodes warrant investigation. Imagine your heart suddenly going off beat, skipping a rhythm, or launching into an uncontrollable drum solo. This can be unsettling and create significant anxiety. These irregular rhythms can be a sign of structural heart disease or electrical abnormalities that compromise the heart's efficiency. The sensation might be described as a thumping in the chest, a feeling of the heart jumping in the throat, or a sustained rapid heartbeat. While stress, caffeine, or certain medications can cause palpitations, when they are frequent, prolonged, or accompanied by other symptoms, they are a strong indicator that something is amiss. Cyanosis, a bluish discoloration of the skin, lips, or fingernail beds, indicates a severe lack of oxygen in the blood. This is a late and critical sign of advanced heart failure or certain congenital heart defects. Picture the color draining from your skin, leaving a ghostly blue hue. This signifies a profound compromise in the body's ability to oxygenate its tissues, a stark visual representation of a system in crisis. It often suggests critically low oxygen saturation levels and requires immediate medical attention. Nausea, loss of appetite, and abdominal discomfort can also be subtle signs of heart damage. When the heart's pumping action is compromised, fluid can back up into the digestive system, leading to these symptoms. This isn't just an upset stomach, it's a persistent feeling of queasiness and a lack of desire to eat, often accompanied by a sensation of fullness or bloating. The liver, too, can become congested with fluid, leading to discomfort in the upper right abdomen. Sudden, unexplained weakness in an arm or leg, or sudden difficulty speaking or seeing, could be signs of a transient ischemic attack, TIA, or a stroke, which are often linked to underlying cardiovascular disease, particularly atrial fibrillation. While not directly a symptom of heart damage itself, these neurological events highlight the systemic impact of an unhealthy heart on the entire body. The heart's inability to pump effectively can lead to the formation of blood clots, which can then travel to the brain, causing these devastating events. This is a critical twist, demonstrating how heart problems can manifest far beyond the chest. It underscores the interconnectedness of our bodily systems. The key to understanding these signs lies in recognizing their persistence, their unusual nature, and their clustering. One isolated symptom might be benign, but a combination of several, especially if they are new or worsening, should prompt immediate medical consultation. The insidious nature of heart damage often lies in its gradual progression, allowing individuals to adapt to a new normal, without realizing the severity of their underlying condition. Therefore, vigilance and a willingness to seek professional medical advice are paramount. Early detection not only improves treatment outcomes but can also prevent irreversible damage and significantly enhance quality of life. Understanding these signals is not about self-diagnosis, but about empowering yourself to be an informed advocate for your own health, prompting timely and accurate professional evaluation. If you recognize any of these persistent or concerning signs within yourself or a loved one, do not delay. Seek immediate medical attention. Your heart is an incredible organ, but it needs your proactive care and attention. Remember, every beat matters. Listen to your heart, truly listen, for in its whispers lie the secrets to a longer, healthier life.